Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Property Hub. Today we are covering Kalpataru Vista, which is located in sector 128 Noida. Basically Kalpataru is a Mumbai based developer जिनकी mainly projects आपको मुंबई या फिर महाराष्ट्र में available हैं. Talking about Kalpataru Vista, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.69 acres where you are going to get 2 tar A and tar B, जिसमें आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्लोर्स 37 मिलने वाले हैं एंड साथ ही इसके टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स 252 रहने वाली हैं, जो कि 3, 4 एंड 5 BHK की होने वाली है. इफ़ विल टॉक अबाउट द साइज, 3 BHK ऑफ 3000 स्क्वायर फीट, 4 BHK ऑफ 4000 स्क्वायर फीट, वेयर एज 5 BHK विच इज़ अ ड्यूप्लेक्स इट्स ऑफ 5350 स्क्वायर फीट. टुडे इज़ 30th जुलाई 2022. एज ऑफ नाउ टार ए का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो 13th फ्लोर क्रॉस कर चुका है, वेयर एज टार बी का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन 32nd फ्लोर क्रॉस कर चुका है. If I'll talk about the amenities in this project, you're going to get an infinity pool, swimming pool, badminton court, multi-purpose hall, space court, indoor games, library, children's play area, both and much more. The main highlights of this project is its lush green environment, because you're going to get a U-shaped golf course in the surrounding of this property. Visits are by invite only. If you like to visit this property, you just have to give us a call in advance so that we'll generate your invite. Hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, consider subscribe so that you will never miss an update from our side. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video.